Hi, Dennis the Menace here. Do you know what this gadget is? That's right, it's called a fire alarm. Fire alarms are not something to kid around with. Never, I repeat never pull a fire alarm when there isn't a fire. False alarms are no joke. When you see a fire alarm, don't pull it unless there is a real fire. Fire alarms are everywhere in public places, never pull a fire alarm when there isn't a fire. False alarms are no joke or a prank. Fire alarms are not something to monkey around with. So, please, listen to your friend Dennis, never pull the fire alarm when there isn't a fire.